Hey everyone, Brennan here at Colton RV with the 2022 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 381M. The exterior of this fifth wheel toy hauler has high gloss gel coat exterior sidewalls that are fully laminated. Heading into the RV, right away you notice this beautiful chef-inspired kitchen with residential appliances and plenty of storage space in the pantry. And coming up towards the front of the RV, we find an upgraded bathroom with a luxurious shower, solid surface countertops, and a porcelain toilet. The spacious bedroom with a queen-size bed has plenty of room for clothes in the overhead cabinets and closet, plus USB charging outlets built right into the nightstands. And headed back through the kitchen, we enter the living area, complete with a huge 4-person sofa and an entertainment center with a huge LED TV and a fireplace. And at the very back, we find the massive 15-foot garage. Not only does this garage offer plenty of room for all of your toys, it can also double as more living space, with 2 sofas that fold into a bed, an overhead bed, and a half bathroom. The patio door comes with fast ramp technology so it can be easily raised and lowered. Set up some chairs on your patio and enjoy the great outdoors. Come see the 2022 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 381M at the Buffalo Bills RV Show at Highmark Stadium from October 14th through the 17th.